Yeah, man. So I'm open with other people. Yeah, man. Love it, love it. Treehouse. Tell them, don't be afraid, you know?
The kids are afraid of this afraid earlier, you know. I tell the man to go on first.
Alright. Hi! I love your colors too.
Thank you.
Yes.
Guys, you don't know what this? Tell me what this in the comment section. What this look like too, no?
Let me see me, you know.
Goat skin, man.
So you never know either.
True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So you don't know, that one place them call him Mayfield. Yeah man, Mayfield. I'm going to show you one treehouse. Yeah man, just go show you what I go on, you know? The stick and stay, I show you what I go on. So big up on yourself. Anyone now watch from yard and abroad, just big up on yourself. Yeah, kind of ragga till still, but you know, say the ragga we were going for the time being. Big up on yourself. One love, one heart. Yeah man, so this is the street. Yeah man, so the landmark is right there. Yeah man, so go down to the street you know and see what I go on. And walk the journey. So guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, you know say can see devastation happen. Hurricane Melissa tear down a lot of house and lick off a whole heap of roof and things. So take a walk go down the street and show them what I want, you know. Yeah man, so we reach right to the destination. Yeah man, so I go on, you know.
Big fish? Yeah, man, I was thinking, man. Big
Morning boss, morning.
Love and respect me.
This is man, I have to come for the place and see what I go on because hear about this place all the while, so you don't know. Yeah man, and knowledge, you know.
That is it.
I'm just saying gym and we have a seat same way, you know.
Not a problem.
Yeah man, just step in a place to feel the energy, just feel right. You see what I say?
Alright, so I'm going to grab some food to come feed one roost so I have in a cage.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so I have to make sure I'm alright.
Yeah.
Yeah man. And then
Can I show how I go
you
on?
can go walk out with it.
Alright my
Yeah,
boss,
man.
take it easy.
But you can keep it rolling.
Yes man. Alright, yeah man, cool. Alright sir, cool. Yeah man, you can see the beautiful landscape, you know. Cleanliness, you know, see next to godliness, you man, you can see it. Tell us, say you see herbs.
That is it.
Yes
great,
man.
Great rosemary.
Rosemary, you know?
That is it.
Yes man, for real.
Right.
Yeah man, remember them flowers here. Yeah man, them flowers here, you know? It's all about nature. We love it thing. We love it thing, yeah. See it? And the curve out of the rock, yeah. Yeah man, so everything make up your life and we have the sugar cane same way. Yeah man, all about nature, you know? You don't know, so we up on the farm same way, roast cock. Watch on the setup here, my people. Look at this beautiful setup right here. This is so amazing. Look at this. Look at the setup. Man. Look at the beauty, guys. So big up anywhere now watch from here and abroad. Just show me a go on. Is it all about life in Jamaica? Yes man. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it man. Love it. You see it? You see the bird pepper here? Yeah man, the bird pepper. Good for your prostate. Good for your prostate. See bird pepper here? Yeah man, sauce of tree. Good for your nerves. Yeah man. Kill is nice man.
Where's that wood for it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You want to keep it on that level there, you know.
Yeah.
You have to do everything.
I love that setup here.
No, man.
See it?
That's
Yeah, man. See that setup here?
Come on, Michi. You get a better view from somewhere there in another place I see away.
Yeah.
See there, man? See a couple of them, man.
Oh, so they come out and go in.
Yeah, man. Hey, man.
Yeah, man. So how long it take for build something like
You know,
this?
so this probably take about. Alright, so me never have all my material one time, so me have to take time get me stuff them together. So this probably take probably about 3 months, you know. If me should have compile it in a one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. By myself. Simple, man.
Me still look at something like an anchor, you know. So that's something over there.
Alright, so that thing they're going to have a waterfall, a water wheel going to go right between the face of the two wood there, so. Yeah, man, a water wheel going in there. So the water going to from here to see me. From see him setting up this, so
yeah.
run through, slide through ground, slide back over, and spin the wheel, you know, and get a splash.
A splash.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
You know, so it needs to be active at all time, because the thing is that it's not really a fish pool, you know. It's a swimming pool. Yeah, man. But temporarily, it is like it is right now for now. That I go on for what I go on there.
Alright.
Yeah, man. That I go on start.
Yeah, man.
So that's an engine right there, so. A complete engine.
So a flywheel is come off for one. Can I chuck it come off here now?
A big chuck, man.
Yeah, man. It's a flywheel, is it?
Yeah, man.
And the crankshaft, see
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, man.
So when it start operate, it go work like so.
Yeah.
You see that? The same kind of mode.
And pump water.
Yeah, man. Well, to keep the motor going and keep the water running and generate electricity. This is a generator right here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is a
Wind turbine like.
wind turbine generator. That is it.
That is it.
That
So you
is
still
it.
never understand the one. Go on.
That is it. That is it.
Yeah, man.
So that's
cool.
a complete engine right there, so.
Mhm.
You know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So my eyes are yours. You see it?
Yeah,
You came upon a journey here today, you know, so yo.
See what I go on.
Thanks for your journey, man. And this is the things. I love the settings, you know?
You know how long if you reach a brother, I will just reach a, but guess what? Nothing happen before the time.
Yeah,
Not
man,
now
there's a
before
for
time,
everything
you know?
under the sun.
Yeah, man.
Even under the rain, can rain and now, no say.
Same way. Same way.
Same way, man.
Before the time, bro.
That I go on, man.
Yeah.
So,
Yes,
yeah,
man.
man, it is what it is. Yes, aye. So the lily grove and take over a pool now still, but it is what it is. You can get a glimpse still of what go on by just some sample there now, so. You know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I say, go. Don't a brace over me carry the lily here from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
So-
just one little piece night. When me carry the lily come, probably about half a, not even half of this small pool here, so. Yeah, man, and drop in here, so the next thing you know, you just take over the whole place.
Whole
again.
place, yeah.
Yeah,
Man,
man.
because
So,
Lily has something where ever growing once you have water.
there you go, there you go, there you
Yeah.
go. And then, so for this reason now, them fish are basically a vegetarian. They have a lot of people to buy, they don't like tilapia because of how them taste and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Them
yeah.
a taste different. Because them not get no whole heap of back feeding and them kind of hormone kind of vibes and them kind of thing there. You know, we kind of keep the thing kind of clean level. So them have them fresh water. The plant help to purify the water as they can go into the natural source and
Yeah.
see it. It purify the water and it also feed the fish them because them come and eat off of the rooting system. Plus the algae will grow along the pool side, them feed off of that also. You know, them have shelter. So usually before they, what them call it, lily grow up night, they used to have puss come scrape them out at night. Because you know fish don't see at night just like fall.
Yeah, never know that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fish don't see well at night, so that's why a lot of persons them normally go and do. Fishermen normally go and do night fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because the fish them don't see so well. Them vision kind of blurry, you know. So them go in and can have better, easier access to the fish them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that I go on. So that the strategy they push them use now. Them come in and then scrape out.
I noticed to me see you have
Solar panel.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this solar panel is responsible for charging that battery right there. So in order to charge the pump, to circulate the water back and forth, take it from down there, so put it up there, so and you know circulate and go on, you know, filter and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm still try to do some filtering and some activation for the water to make sure the water well active, you know?
Yeah, so
That I go on, man.
so with the battery now,
Uh-huh.
how you get it charged? You have a charge control pan it?
No, I don't use no charge control because the panel by itself is not, well, the amount of panel is not strong enough to charge the battery by if you overcharge it.
Yes.
And then if you know, so boy, I leave it for a couple of days on charge, or leave it for a couple of hours on charge, then I'll disconnect it before it start overloading and dry out the cells and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's a thing where you have to just balance yourself and know. So for persons who interested in a solar panel and they can't afford charge controller, if they have common sense, they can connect it directly to. People can probably hear me now and I'll find a different way of making mash up the panel or so. But anyway, but if you have one of the old time one them, you can connect it directly to your battery. You don't have to worry about the charge controller or whatever.
Yeah.
You know? And just use it, just make sure so you turn it off before it overcharge the battery. You know,
so just have time it and know say.
Just time it and say alright, or you know, yeah man, and just know say boy you can turn it off at certain time, is it? So that's a go on, man.
Yes man.
That's
yes man, and welcome and appreciate it. You accept us here for the property, you know?
It answers short notice.
Yes man.
Today, you know. Well, anyway, it's all good.
Yes
it's
man.
All good, man.
Yes
yeah,
man.
So that's a go on for
yes,
what I go on in. Yeah, so I guess you want to go to the meat of the matter before the rain starts.
Yes man, yes man.
Alright, nothing wrong. Yeah, okay, that's what I want. Use that thing there, so. I want to wait on the equipment.
Yeah man.
Yeah. So yeah. It is what it is. Where's that? The bush.
Huh?
Kind of look decent-ish.
Yeah man, the
place nice man.
Nice bro. Place nice man.
They use that word the nice one.
No man, the place nice.
Lovely man.
Lovely man, yeah man. Lovely man, lovely.
We see quite a variety of fruit trees.
Yeah man, alright, so food is a thing where I decide say boy I'm going to invest in that.
Fruits.
Fruit is very important.
Yeah.
Because to the day a lot of the youth them today don't have a clue what fruit tree look like. Yeah man, them may see something and eat it. As a matter of fact, then they want to eat tablet. Give them the tablet and the food.
Yeah.
You
see you have a tree up there so we call mulberry.
Mulberry, yeah man.
And enough people don't know that, you know.
What is his name?
I see man.
Yeah, man.
Enough people don't know about it. You see that show you?
The whole of the fence line. You know, so instead of having a fence where you have to pay for, you use the plant them man.
Use the plant.
So you can't eat off a wall.
Yeah.
And you can't eat off a bar wire.
Yeah.
But you can eat off of your plants them.
Makes sense.
Yeah man.
Makes sense.
Yeah man. And you want to paint them, you just cut them down and then green up back.
Same way. Nature.
Yeah man.
You
maintain the natural colour, you see?
Yes.
And that's how go on man. So yeah man, anyway, and the project this where the people always talk about, you know.
Yes.
So inside of this project here right now, we have a guest. Yeah man, she's Miss Michaela. She's not a Jamaican,
okay,
but she's here, and she accepted to welcome you guys in.
Okay.
You know, so yes, indeed.
Yes.
She's also a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Yes man.
Okay.
Yeah man, so that's
That
a
is
go on
it,
for what I
that is
go
it,
on.
that is
So
it, that
it
is
is
it.
what it is. So
Yes.
when you go inside, you can meet her,
and it's good for meet up
there you go.
with each other too, you know?
There you go.
Yeah,
Miss
man.
McKay. Alright.
And question again.
Yeah man.
What kind of mango tree is this? Is a green skin? What kind of mango?
This is what them call a common mango, aka hairy, or stringy. Yeah man. Yeah man, you know. So that I go out for what I go on. It is what it is.
Enjoying it. Hi.
Our common mango.
Common mango.
So yeah man, so they have a whole heap of little name for it, you know. So it is what it is. Yeah.
Love it man, love it.
Yeah. Alright, sir.
There goes
So,
another YouTuber. What's
that
your
is
channel
it.
name?
Michaela Kimberly.
Michaela
Kimberly.
Kimberly. Alright.
Yes.
Alright guys.
Yeah, man. So I'm open with other people. Yeah man. Love it.
Treehouse.
Tell them, don't be afraid, you know.
The kids are afraid of this afraid earlier enough. So I tell them to go on first.
Alright. Hi. I love your colors too.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now you don't know what this. Tell me what this in the comment section. What this look like too, no?
Let me see, you know.
Goat skin, man.
So you never know either.
Goat skin, man.
You never know either.
Yeah, man. I tell you.
Yeah, man, that's a go for what a go.
Goat skin.
I love it, man. So you enjoy it here, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And I love it here, man. We can't stop saying I love it because I love seeing nature, you know?
It's
Beautiful.
Yes, yes.
And-
Surrounding.
Yeah, man.
I'd like to tell the people that want to go on the channel name so each one help one same way so you can
Okay.
just highlight the same way, you know?
Okay, I appreciate it. Yes, my channel is Michaela Kimberly. That's MCKAYLA KIMBERLY.
Yes. So please go over to our channel and subscribe. Each one help one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I know she did on the journey with us same way.
Yes, and I am Grenadian.
Wow.
Yeah.
You see how far she come from? Grenada. Big up
Yes.
yourself, all the Grenadian people. Big up on yourself.
Big up the Spice
One love
Isle.
from Jamaica, you know?
Yes.
Yes, man. Love
I'm
it.
here
Love it.
representing.
Yes, man. Represented. You see the colors, them? Yes, man. I love that. Love that. Alright?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, look out for your video soon
Yes.
from My Eyes Are Yours and Fire Reid channel, alright?
Okay.
Yes, man. So, you can check it out and you see what
Yes.
go on. We tour Jamaica, different places. Because a lot of people all over the world want to see how them reach them destination
Right.
before them come. So we show them what go on, how to reach the destination, you know?
Okay.
Yes, man.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful
Yes,
thing
man.
you're
And
doing. Yes.
one love, you know?
Yes.
Alright? Enjoy the rest of the stay, alright?
I will.
Alright, so I walk around and see what I go on.
I don't hear nothing creak all now.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
And I feel so comfortable, me I tell you.
Yeah,
so,
man. Comfortable, man.
Yes, man. Love
Like
it,
you
man.
never go in the say you can grow in the say
Alright,
so
so.
on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's all good, man.
Yeah, man.
That
Tell
is
us,
it.
say, yeah, man. Say, do the right. That is it.
That is it.
See the balcony here?
Go on round, man.
Some people go to some 5-star hotel, but you see that feeling how I feel right now? You feel the natural feelings that I tell my people. Up in our tree. I tell us, say,
Yes, sir.
the people, that place here does feel different. You see it? But don't want to come walk and feel this. Feel how that tree house I feel. Me I stand on the rock here, bare feet right now. And you see the feelings there? Hey, the feelings I feel different. Yeah, man, this is the common mango tree. Yes. You see I have a other place up there like it's a gazebo. You can go get a bird's eye view. Yes, I love it. And I really see flag, yeah? Yeah, man, raising.
A dog of this age is no pup.
Yeah,
Man. So this girl has gone through all kind of trials and tribulations. So you see how when
Yeah,
them
man.
talk about say boy 51 storm coming
Yeah.
to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So me I say yo 51 storm then and Gilbert and all this something then this girl can handle it, man. Anything at all.
I see Melissa come and pass by same way.
Listen to the man. Melissa have to walk it.
God.
Yeah, Melissa get some wood, some stick, you see?
Yes.
Some mango stick.
Yeah, man. Lace her properly,
Yeah,
man.
man, with some mango
Lace her
stick.
properly, bro. Yeah, man.
So, and that's a go on for what I go.
Yeah,
Anyway,
man.
so, bedroom up there. So some people wonder which one bedroom there.
Alright, guys.
So one of the bedroom there right there, so.
This is a bedroom.
Yeah, man.
Oh, what kind of wood you use with the mirror? Here? Oh, wait, still stick then. Yeah,
Log.
Yeah. Wait a
So
minute.
this
A
is
pimento?
pimento, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you can
Yeah,
see.
man, that's a pimento, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yes,
I just
man.
do it rough, just pull it a certain way and just make it stay the same way.
Yes.
So we're
Yeah,
going
man.
up here now.
Yeah, man, you can go on up there, man. No whole vibe. See you way.
Yeah, man. So this is one of the room right here.
That is it.
And you see the weather up here, my people. Yeah, feel say AC different, but I tell you, there's natural coolness.
Anyway, so watch this.
Yeah,
Me have
man.
a ceiling piece of the roof that will blow it away.
Yeah.
Melissa blow it. But now watch no face. I say you go.
No, guess what?
We soon start that.
Melissa can't mash it down, you know.
No.
Yes.
Right, man.
Tell you,
Guys, everything up here is all natural.
Alright, so up here so now, may I do
Check out
some
the view, my people. Watch that. You look for all the way back down in the St. Elizabeth. Yes, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, place nice, man.
yeah, may I do some
Lovely,
construction
lovely,
of that, so
lovely, lovely.
some reconstruction I go on, so that's why I have them stuff I threw down here, so. But it's all good.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You see, I got higher and higher heights.
Go on, that's the one.
How more, how
We're not
more.
gonna hide on that.
You're not
We're
gonna
not
hide
gonna
on
hide
this?
on that. We're not gonna hide on that.
See, next time I come,
No,
make sure
we're
you
not
know.
gonna hide
Make
on that.
sure you know.
You know? We're balancing right there, so though.
You know,
So,
if I come down the street,
yeah.
I way up the side, I see for a bird's eye, I see somebody up on this one.
Well, guess what?
Yeah.
Guess what? You see up at the new section, I said, up here, so it's called the Sky View.
Sky view.
Yeah, man. I hate that one. I think it stopped at Sky View.
Sky view.
Yeah, man. That is it. So, go and go see where Sky
Yeah,
View
man,
look
yeah,
like.
man, yes. Yes, man, I tell you, man.
Yeah, man.
Aye, hey,
Mm.
the people and I'm not normal this.
Yeah, man. So,
I tell
so
you,
watch
say.
this now. So watch your flexing now.
Mm.
So this used to in a diamond shape.
Up here, sir?
Yeah, man. This used to be just a diamond right there, so. And then, but what happened is that these were tied to the other rails that were here.
Okay.
And so when Melissa tried, if it pull the tree, it pulled the railing with it. So what I did otherwise is just separate this and do it different. Extended this part where you stand up yourself, which way you stand up yourself is
right
brand new.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Freshly
we extend this, so, and then I say, boy, Jano Star, you know, so I still now get the view over there. So that is where you have Sky View was
Sky
created.
view.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
So you see
So-
it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys, and guess what, man, again? This catch me eye again too, you know. See it? You have more solar panels up here.
That is
Alright,
it.
because it, guys, fully solar him there, you know, they know nothing with GPS. You know.
That is it.
Him
that
no
is
want
it.
nothing to do with GPS.
Not
Him
even,
fully,
not even the teeth part time, you know.
fully,
Yeah.
fully solar.
As a matter of fact, but the community is without electricity right now.
Yeah,
I
because
see me have one bunch of stuff I've charged
charge
up
down there. Yeah,
for,
we see it on the
for,
step.
for me,
Neighbors
the neighbor
them.
them and
Yes,
stuff
man.
like that. Right, man. So that I go on.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
half
man.
grid setting, you know?
That is it.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, you can go test out Sky View, man.
Oh
You hear what him say? Him say, oh, theme word.
Yes, man, I tell you.
my word.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
You
man,
can
Sky
feel,
view,
you can
man.
feel the welcome here and
You know, so you
you can
think
feel
that,
it. Yes,
is what
man, you
it
can
is, man.
feel it, man. You can
Yeah,
feel
man.
it. And
And they have play space. Yeah, man. Up in at the top. Well, just a second. You know, says a tree, you know?
I don't know about you. You see, it's what I see right now. I can't tell us how I see me now, but you see
Hey.
feelings.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you
Tree
something.
top with it.
I remember the first day me start resting at this tree when rain a fall. You know, it's like I pulled to myself and I said, John, no star, but you know, say I'm an idiot, boy. You know, say I don't want tree there.
Yeah.
I will laugh to myself and say,
Yeah.
boy, you know, say I'm mad though. But anyway, I love the madness there, you know. Even as a matter of fact, people in our community, when we start this project, they used to say me mad.
People
I mean-
always say that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, but here we are going. Between me and you and everybody who are watching now. Wouldn't mind mad like that 10 more times.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See,
And man, they feel good.
see your vision when you have people that feel like say that happened to you, but you see
Yeah,
your
man.
vision and see come out to reality.
Yeah, man.
Reality.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it there.
Yeah, man.
You know. Yeah, man.
Trust
That
me.
Go on, man. None like other. Nothing like another. Yeah, man.
Fire Reid, what you have to say?
You know, so me feel welcome like me there home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I feel welcome at the place, man. Love it.
wow,
Love
there you
it.
go,
Love it. You saw that? Mayfield,
Mayfield in Manchester.
Manchester.
Manchester,
Yeah, man.
Mayfield, Manchester, that Jamaica, because some people still are going wonder which part that.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. So it's Mayfield, Manchester in Jamaica.
in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
And
man.
that's a
All
go
around.
Tell
All
them,
around.
man.
All around.
Right.
So, I don't guess where Melissa come from, you know.
Eh?
I don't guess where
From-
Melissa walk from, you know.
From St. Elizabeth.
From St. and come right up to you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I don't guess where she walk from, sir.
Me-
I'll come up for the
Me
edge.
I look over one place to some water there.
Black River.
The water is our way over. The one I saw.
Oh, alright. So down there, so I down in a Breeze River.
Ah, I see it.
Yeah, man. But as you can see, the ocean view out on the line.
Oh, on the court. Yeah, on
And the
the
ocean that you look on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's a Black River and
that's
further on. Yeah, man.
What you? Me see it with you.
Oh, you just have to see the ocean
Yeah, man.
line?
See, yeah, see the ocean, man. So you see, it's a part, you know, So apart come like I want to clear out space.
Alright, out there's in a outer border section. I mean going out to White House region, them kind of region there, so yeah man. Yeah man. Don't wish for themselves swims and all them kind of something there.
Yeah.
Little quarters and them places.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, people, trust me, it's a joy to be here today, guys, to show you what is happening here in Mayfield. People, oh God, man, may I tell you, words can't express, man, how this place looks. And we feel welcome, we feel at home, guys. Trust me.
Man, please.
This is my first experience.
Yes, man.
Experiencing a treehouse. And guys, we always see on TV, always see in a movie, but
And cartoon, not you?
Yes, man. I tell you.
In a real life.
As somebody post a video one time, what me I say, it's like me never really say, no believe it.
Yeah. What you say?
It's like me never really say, alright, who does somebody can get to build a house now? Like when you watch TV, you say, alright, whatever AI thing, how them build a thing, you know?
The question I'm going to ask now, though. Why I can't believe say we're really going on a tree house with you.
Can't believe it because it's my first time.
Yeah, man. And how you feel?
It feels it's a different feeling as me I tell you. We fly much. We can't explain how high we fly, but you see up here, so you feel different feelings up here, so you feel welcome. All about nature.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Paradise Plus.
Paradise, man.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Paradise Plus. Jamaica Treehouse Paradise Plus.
Yes,
yeah?
man.
Man. Welcome, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, man.
It's all good, man.
Yes, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man. See you. Mr. Williams, there, my eyes are yours.
Boy, me I tell you, me people, trust me, it's nice.
Nice.
No,
as we say, we
no,
use
we
nice,
use the word nice.
Lovely,
man.
We're not going to allow the people if you look out for that word the nice way.
Nice.
Yeah.
So the original meaning for that word nice is stupid, foolish, or ignorant.
Yes.
That's the original meaning for the word nice. Yeah, man. So me dash out that out of my vocabulary a long time. Watch me see that slider go over this.
Yeah.
Nah, know if you do it.
You know, stop us on either.
You know,
stop us on that all.
You know, when the man they lit the 6 and he just a god.
Yeah.
You know,
style.
you know the man then they ever try to dive off like and then can't get it, just god. No nice road here. Except me I use that the right way.
Yeah, that's right. Yes.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
that
man.
go on, man. See you
I see Empress over there.
Yeah,
Where
man.
you see again where you come from?
Grenada.
Big up all the Grenada people, them one love again.
Yeah, man.
Lovely place, you know?
That's a go on.
Yeah, man.
That's
Yeah,
a go on,
man.
man. What a go on it. Yes, sir. So,
No feel no way, no feel no way. People feel say they can't, and a disrespect, they can't ban you from a certain place, but guess what? They don't want a tree house right now. They can't ban you from yourself in Jamaica. And guess who they are?
right?
Grenada, no matter what I go on,
Right?
still I enjoy Jamaica same way.
No, we don't enjoy. We are full
joy Jamaica.
Or
Yeah, alright, full joy
Is it a
Jamaica.
full joy or
Yes, man.
enjoy?
Enjoy, yes,
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No end to the thing.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. We are do it.
You see it?
Yeah,
You
that's
see
a go on.
it? You see it? We learn a lot today.
Yeah,
We
man.
don't know anything, you know? You're full joy.
That is it.
Yes, man.
So, hey!
Mhm.
Oh, me there now. So this a mango tree, a beer, same way or not?
Where's the one? Yeah, man. Unstoppable. Yeah, man.
Hear me, people?
It's so healthy.
He's saying that this mango tree, stop beer, none at all.
Yeah, man.
And the mangoes are still big and juicy.
Yes, man. A juice here.
Juicier.
As a matter of fact, I
juicier.
want to tell you something, To be honest with you, when we just start that project here, and reach probably about halfway night, I mean, the tree look like the boy she gonna give up, like she now nothing more to live for. And then yes, when we move in, I mean, she just get flourishing and just
Yes. Cause she didn't want a man inside of
listen
her.
to me now, man. Listen to me,
Bro, yes. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's a go on for real, man. So,
Yeah, man.
she just change off and just
Yes,
get
man.
fluffy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cause
man,
she find
so-
the right growth now.
That me a talk
Yes,
about.
man.
That me a talk about. Yeah, man. You
Yeah,
know?
man.
Yeah, man. She has.
And
she
guys,
has,
trust me, it's a good look for the community of Mayfield
yes.
and also Manchester because
Yes.
I have never heard
And
of
also
any
Jamaica.
other tree house.
And also Jamaica.
And
There's
also
none like that.
Jamaica.
And the
Also
world.
Jamaica and the world.
There's
Yeah.
none like that.
Yo, people, look, me know enough of you go come now. And come, and you go come book right up here. Yes, man. As me say, I go put up him number on the screen. You can give him a call.
Yeah.
Talk to him.
And just, you
can
can drop
reason
the,
with
the
him.
link to.
Yes,
You can drop
and
the-
he also have a YouTube channel. Me I go drop the link
Yeah, man.
in the description so you can go over there.
See
Give
how
him
it-
a strength. Let him know that my eyes are here sent to
That is
over
it.
his channel.
Love
yeah,
and
man.
respect.
So guys, as Mr.
See how it-
Empress there, you know. Empress there.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So this is
Yeah, man.
my
She
this is
hails
my
from-
engineer here.
She hails from
She's an
Grenada.
engineer.
Yeah, man. She am an engineer, man.
Okay.
We know the tech my
Yes.
tech engineer.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Social media manager.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Yeah,
wow,
man. Yeah, man.
nice,
And
nice.
she do all them kind of thing
I
there.
love
yes,
that.
man. That is
Yeah,
great,
man.
man. That is great. That is great.
Yeah, man.
That is
So
great, man.
that I go on for what I go on. Yes, I am.
Right.
Why? Trust me. Me come.
That is what life is. That's not what life is about. Life is about living your true gift, living your talent, you know, connecting to your source of life, which is the Most High Himself, and make Him live through you. As the word says, seek ye first the kingdom of Yah, you know,
Yeah.
and all things shall be added to you, you know, because He know that you need of these things, but how you approach it,
So,
that I think, you know.
so another question now.
Mm.
When building this dream house or this
Say
paradise,
comment.
yes,
Yeah, that's
this
all I like it.
paradise.
Yeah, man.
While building this paradise,
Mm-hmm.
did you get any form of help or you
No,
alone?
man. No,
You
man.
alone
The only help for me get is from within.
within?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know, mental support and
Yes.
and physical strength. You see it?
Yes, because once you
Yeah,
have a
man.
plan set out to do it,
Yeah, man. It's
you have
simple,
to do
man.
it, you know.
And let me tell you something. You see all the way you see, I'm gonna do it all over again.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we respect that. We respect that. We
Yeah, man.
So a question again, me know me see other trees around here, you know. So you sure you know want start something you know next one?
Alright, so watch this now. You see, them other trees they on different property.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So them this tree I know they on that which is considered for mine for now.
Yes.
Yeah, man,
Yes.
but them they are different people thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Different name they find them game there. Yeah, man. So that are gone. However, there are others that are on my location that yes, I am thinking of doing something. It probably not as big as this one because those trees are smaller.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, man. But it would be lovely just to see you.
So are
Yeah,
you
man.
are you available for a booking at any given time?
Call me and make me know where I go on. You know, just give me a shout
So
and then we
people,
can arrange
As I
myself
said,
and
I'm gonna put
you know.
up his number in the description so you can link him. I'm gonna put up him channel name as well. So you can follow him channel and you can see what go on a day-to-day basis, you know, what is going on in this tree house
That
or
is
this
it.
paradise
That is
to
it.
say here in
That is
Mayfield.
it. That is it. That
Yeah,
is
man.
it. Yeah,
So,
man.
my boss, we respect what you do, and it's a good look for the community, for Jamaica. And